Showing you my galaxy slime. It's supposed to have many colors, but it turned out right because I keep on mixing it, and yeah, it's like the same as my other slime. I don't know where they are right now. Um, it's supposed to be like this color over here. It's a goose galaxy slime. I bought it on Smigos just yesterday. It's so squishy, and when I told you like I'm going back to my home again, like my real country. I bought this for my cousins. Like, come on! Two pencils. Like one is cupcake or ice cream. The pizza ice cream. It has Mal and that's for my older cousin. She's older than me, but I'm taller than her. And a strawberry for my younger second cousin. So I hope they enjoy my gifts. I bought them from Smigos yesterday. But yeah. Okay, so that's just gonna be a short video. But before a short video, I'm gonna mess up myself and put this all over my head. Get ready, go. There you go. Ew. Ew. Oh, it went up my mouth. It's over here, my shirt. I clean my face. Did it again. Whoa! Okay, guys. Wash my face right now.